Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. This is Deeptima. I am back with a new video and this is going to be a try on haul from Color Bar. Now, it is like really strange that I haven't done a Color Bar try on a first impression thing on my channel because I really like Color Bar lipsticks and I haven't done a post on that even. So I'm like really excited to try out a bunch of new products from Color Bar. I haven't tried any of these yet except the setting spray, which was like my favorite and I ran out of it. So I'm really excited to dig in and try all these products out. These products were sent to me by the brand, but I'm not being paid for the review, and I would be giving you my 100% honest opinion on how I feel about these products. So let's get started with the video, and I am really excited to try these on. I am really excited to try the eyelashes. I had no idea that Color Bar has their own eyelashes, and those eyelashes, like the one I have with me, are like so amazing. Let me show them to you, okay? Like before we start with the makeup, I really want to talk about the eyelashes. This is the packaging, and let me show you the eyelash. Can you see that? Oh my god, this is like really pretty. This one is like my favorite. I'm dying to try this one out. This one is in the style. Let me figure that out. This is Striker Pose 002. The more wearable one is You Complete Me 001. The first product that I'm gonna try out would be this primer oil, and it says this is a perfect selfie primer oil. It is hydrating and priming. This is a hydrating and firming primer oil that focuses on protecting your skin from blue light exposure and providing long-lasting makeup results. It contains advanced ingredients that give you skin digital protection so your skin can breathe better. The texture is so lightweight and non-greasy that it feels almost invisible once blended and leaves behind a fresh, hydrated appearance. With this primer oil, you are always ready for a perfect dewy selfie. This is the packaging. Looks really pretty to me. This is like really nice. Now Color Bar was really thoughtful. They sent a tiny sanitizer. This sanitizer is from Color Bar. This is their purizer. It has aloe vera and it smells good actually. It smells really nice because I would be applying my makeup with my hands today. I'm just gonna take the primer oil. I took like almost 2 drops. It feels really lightweight, does not feel like an oil. What I liked about the primer was it is like really fast absorbing and there is no shine, there is no greasiness on my face. It is definitely, the skin definitely feels a lot hydrated. So next I am going to use a primer, and while the primer sets, we'll do the eye makeup. So first I'm taking the primer. This is the Flawless Finish Primer, and this is how your primer looks like. Now it says it's a luxurious face primer that creates a beautiful canvas for your makeup. It preps your skin and blurs out imperfections, and this should be like, this is the first step to your makeup routine. Use it alone with a natural look and layer it up with foundation for a flawless looking skin. And it infused with silicone and glycerine. This fast absorbing formula melts into your skin and gives it a silky smooth feel. It is recommended for all skin type for instant luminosity and sensational velvety finish. So I'm gonna take this now, and I'm just gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand. It's a transparent primer. I haven't done my makeup in a long time. I'm like really excited to get all dolled up, and on top of that, Rakhi is coming. I am really happy. Like I'm like really excited for this Rakhi because I haven't seen my parents in a long time, and on Rakhi I'll be going. And luckily, like not luckily, but it's sad, but again keeping the safety in mind, like it's gonna be a very private affair. Like just it's gonna be just me, my husband and my family. So when I see like really close in the mirror, I do see that this area looks a lot smooth, but I'm gonna leave this primer for at least 5 minutes till we do the rest of the face. I'm going to take this Color Bar eyebrow shaping kit, and this is a Browful shaping and defining kit. I mean, honestly, it's like 11 on 10 for packaging. I really love the packaging. I'm trying not to have my fingerprint, but I got one fingerprint over there. So I really like the packaging. It is like a really beautiful brown packaging. Now it has a magnet closure. It might look a little warm on camera, but it is more like a taupey color, like a taupey grayish color in real. And it comes with a very tiny plucker for your eyebrows, a tiny spoolie, and a tiny brush, just like that. And it is like really good for traveling. When you're traveling, you don't have to carry all your tools. You can just carry this and you're like good to go. So I'm gonna try this out, but I'm gonna use my own brush. So this, the textured part over here, this is the gel and this is the powder. So I'm gonna dip my brush in the gel first. It's not like really gel, it's more like a waxy pomade, I guess. So this is like the first time I'm trying it out. I think it comes in like one shade only because I can't see any number or any name on the packaging. I think it is like one like universal product, I feel. Initially I thought the color was not according to my preference, but I actually built it up and I like how it looks. I'm gonna quickly do this side also, and I'll be right back with another product. I have primed my eyes and it's time to do the eye makeup. So we are in the mask era and we always wear masks, the only feature that we can enhance our eyes. So I'm gonna go a little heavy on the eyes. I'm gonna try and create a nice smoky foxy eye makeup look. This is the eyeshadow palette that I would be using. This is the Color Bar Smoky Eye eyeshadow palette and it comes like this. This is the packaging. The theme is same for all the products. Like this is how your palette looks like. It might look black on camera, but it's actually like a dark brown color. And these are the shades that I have in here. Like if you go over here on this side, you have like the darker colors. You even have a blue if you like, you know, to have some color on the lid, or you want a pop of color, you have blue. And if you move on this side, you have like lighter colors, which would be perfect for highlighting. This is more like, okay, let me show that to you properly. This color is more like a golden color. This is again like, this is like a very pale gold. This is a beautiful, now you can see it. Now this is more like subtle on the lid gold. This is like a real bronzy gold again. For my crease, I'm going to use another product, which is their contour and highlight kit. And I'm going to use the darker color, which is the contour color for my contour of the eyes. So this one is in the shade 01 Natural, and this is how it looks. You have a highlighter and you have a contour color. The contour color is not warm, it is like a cool tone grayish brown color, and I'm gonna use this first. I'm focusing this color majorly on the outer corner. The maximum intensity is over the outer corner, and I'm just trying to blend it really nicely so that it looks nice and diffused, because that will help us when we layer the other darker colors on top. So I'm just intensifying the outer corner. This is just gonna make my eyes look deeper and more like, you know, bigger and better, I feel. So this is just what I'm doing, and once I feel I have like even color on both the sides, I'm gonna stop. These eyeshadows, they have like really fine shimmer, which is like really festive, and I think it's gonna look really nice when light hits your eyes. Like when you have these colors on your eyes, it's gonna look really pretty. So first color that I would be using would be this gray color over here. I am just applying this gray on my entire lid. Gray would be my base color. Color is decently pigmented, and you can see, like, you can't see a lot of sparkle or the glitter on the eye. So if you want the glitter, you can just pack it with your finger. The next color that I would be using is this brown over here. This brown has some gold fleck, like gold shimmer in it. Looks really pretty. I'm gonna use this just on the outer corner to have like a really nice smoky effect. So I'm just gonna apply it here and extending it a little outwards, like towards the eyebrow, just a little bit, not too much. And one final blend. Now these eyeshadows, they are like easy to blend. They are decently pigmented and you can definitely build up the pigmentation. If you want just a little bit color on the lids, you can apply it very gently. If you want like intense pigmentation, you can just layer it up. You might hear some noises in the background. It's because it's raining like really crazily, so you're gonna hear rain in the background. You might hear rain in the background. It's been a long time since I did my makeup, so today I want to go like all smoky and edgy. If you want a subtle look, you can definitely do that. It's up to you however you want your makeup to be. So I'm just gonna blend this out really nice. Next, I would be taking the kajal from Colorbar. This is their Mesmerize kajal, and it is made in Germany. It is waterproof, smudge proof, black is black, and I'm gonna try this out. This is the kajal pencil, Colorbar black. For this look, I want a smoky liner with lots of drama, so I'm gonna use this kajal pencil to create that drama and smokiness on the lids. So I am just going to take this here. Oh my god, this is like really creamy. I really like how it glides on, and I think I would have to blend it really fast because this might set quickly. So I'm just gonna extend it here. So I'm just gonna take this darker color and smoke out the kajal a little bit more. This is a good kajal. I really like how it looks on the eye, and this is coming from someone who does not wear kajal. I'm like really taking my own sweet time with this look. I'm really enjoying it. It's like a therapy playing with new makeup after such a long time. I'm gonna take this color. This is a really, really pretty pale gold color, and I'm gonna use it for my highlight. So just gonna put this here. And just blend it in. You can leave this look right here. I just want to try this color, like this one. I really want to try out this color, so I'm gonna do that. So meanwhile, I'm going to leave the eyes as it is. I am going to apply my lashes. The lashes that I am really dying to try are Striker Pose 02. These are gorgeous, gorgeous lashes. I can't wait to try these on. So the eye makeup is like 98% done. Just need to apply mascara on the lower lashes. Let's move on to the face. I'm really excited to try out this foundation. This foundation is the Colorbar Amino Skin Radiant Foundation. Now it says it's a revolutionary high coverage creamy formula dedicated to all skin types. It is characterized by the presence of lysine. I am sorry if I'm saying that wrong. An essential amino acid for maintaining the protein layer of the skin by improving hydration actively. It is also enriched with sophisticated treated Japanese pigments which ensure a color fidelity and uniformity in application. This is perfect second skin foundation, acts like a filter to provide face a smooth and satin finish, cruelty free, waterproof. So let's try this on, and it comes with a pump like this. Take this out and spread it on my face. I think this is a little dark for me. It's a little too yellow. The shade I have here is Ivory Fair. So I'm just gonna apply it on the circumference, not applying it on the center of my face because I'm not sure about the color. The color might not be a perfect match, but just trying it out. The foundation is a little warm for me, but I think I can fix it with the concealer. The foundation is blending really nicely. I really like the finish, and I haven't taken a lot. Like, I just took like a pea size quantity, and I'm just trying to work that in, taking a little bit more, applying it on my neck so that the neck and the face, they are same color. Overall, I like the foundation. It is not looking cakey, it is not looking patchy, and it has blended really nicely in my skin. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my ears because the ears are like pink right now. For concealer, I have the Colorbar Flawless Full Coverage Concealer. Looks like this, and what I like about this is the applicator. It comes with a thick applicator, like a really thick applicator, just like that. And I'm really excited to try this out. I haven't used it on my face yet. This travel-friendly high-coverage liquid to powder formula is designed to conceal imperfections for an instant touch-up and a long-lasting natural finish. It contains 100% natural active agents like jojoba, mimosa and sunflower wax to gradually improve the appearance of your skin to appear flawless. So that's exciting. It's for $6.99. So far I'm really liking the concealer. It does provide good coverage. Now, to set your face, to set your concealer and your foundation, I would be using this Colorbar. This is the Sheer Touch Mattifying Loose Powder. Dust off the extra and just set the under eye area first. So now I will be going back to my eyes, and I'll just fix that smokiness on the bottom, and I'll use this brown first. I'm gonna use this brown, then I'm gonna use this darker black just to intensify. So just first using the light color. So we are reaching almost the end of this look. Now I'm gonna go back with the contour palette, the contour kit, and I'm just gonna contour my face. So I am being very careful with the contour because the contour color is a little chalky, a little dry. The shade is good, but just working with the formula. The formula is not very blendable, not very easy to work with. So that's the only drawback I felt. It's time for the blush. For the blush over here, I have, this is the Matte Illusion blush in 002 Veiled Marlot, and this is how it looks. It's a beautiful color actually. It's a really nice color for fair to medium complexion. I feel it's kind of like a very natural flushed look, so this is a good color. For my highlighter, I'm going back with the highlight and contour kit. It's a nice highlight, nice warm highlight. It's time for the lipstick. Like, I think I should go with the nude color. This one is the Simple Matte Lip Color from Colorbar. This is in the shade 023 Obscene, and this is the packaging. The packaging is like so cute. I really like the packaging, guys. So this is the lipstick 023, like it's 23 Obscene, and I'm excited to put this on. I'm really loving the formula of this lipstick, like that I stopped in between application to tell you this. Like, it is like really buttery. It is gliding beautifully on the lips. Although it is matte, it is not drying, and I'm not finding it difficult to put it on my lips. Like, sometimes matte lipsticks, you have to work a little hard, you have to apply a little pressure. With these, you don't have to do that. They're very buttery, and the formula seems really nice. Before I open my hair, I'm gonna mist my face with the setting spray. So this completes the look, guys. This is my finished look. I really enjoyed creating this look and trying out these products. All the products that I have used in this video would be in the description box with the link from where you can buy them. And I don't even remember when was the last time I got this dolled up, and I really enjoyed myself. I really hope you guys like this look as well. And this is pretty much it. So if you like this video, then please make sure you support my channel by subscribing. Like this video, you can even share it with your friends, share it with someone who loves Color Bar, or share it with someone who has not tried a lot of Color Bar products, you know. It would be interesting. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you very soon in my next video. Make sure you check the description for the product details and to see where all you can follow me. Like, I'll leave my Instagram handle, and I'm like really approachable on Instagram. You can DM me on Instagram if you want to talk to me. So I'm gonna leave the handle in the description box below, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Lots of love, hugs and kisses to you all. Mwah. Bye guys.